If you've been on the hunt for a reliable local AI installer, you might have come across Pinokio. But does it actually deliver on its promises, or is it just another tool that falls flat? Let's dive in and see what it's all about. Pinokio aims to simplify the installation of AI tools on your local machine, which sounds great in theory. The core functionality revolves around making AI accessible without the need for complex setups or extensive technical knowledge. It's designed to cater to developers and enthusiasts who want to experiment with AI models without the hassle of cloud services. The user interface is straightforward, making it easy to navigate through the installation process. However, while it looks promising, there are some areas that feel a bit lacking. The documentation is not as comprehensive as one would hope, leaving some users potentially scratching their heads during setup. Additionally, the intended audience seems a bit narrow. Casual users might find it overwhelming without sufficient guidance. What stands out immediately is the potential for offline use, which is a huge plus for privacy-conscious users. Still, it raises questions about the community support and updates down the line. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Pinokio allows for local installation, which provides greater control and privacy over your AI projects. The interface is user-friendly for those familiar with AI concepts, and the offline capabilities are definitely a strong point. However, there are some significant drawbacks. The lack of thorough documentation can be frustrating, especially for newcomers. Additionally, the community around it seems limited, which could lead to difficulties in troubleshooting. Pricing details are also a bit vague, which might deter some potential users who want to know what they're getting into up front. For those who are experienced and want a local solution, it could be beneficial, but beginners might want to explore other options that offer more support and guidance. In conclusion, Pinokio has the potential to be a solid local AI installer for developers looking for privacy and control. However, its lack of robust documentation and community support might leave some users wanting more. If you're experienced and comfortable navigating the AI landscape, it's worth a try, but beginners might want to look elsewhere for a smoother experience.